Hi, I'm Nicholas Cusack coming to you live once again from St. Stephen, New Brunswick. This is January 12th, 2011. I'm coming to you live from St. Stephen, New Brunswick on Main Street here. It is 3:30 and we have received 20 centimeters of snow already on the ground. I just came from school. All the buses were able to run bus 42. That is bus 42 unable to run today. All other buses made it home except 42. There was no run that day. Or today. We are just walking out to the road here where I can show you how bad it is. Now you can't see it, but the snow is blowing sideways right in your face where you can't see nothing. So it can temporarily blind you. And it stings right bad. Trust me, it hurts. I had to get dropped off and picked up at the school. I was unable to make it home. Are traveling in these conditions, unable to see hardly brakes. Forecasters call for another 5 centimeters tonight till tomorrow morning. Can't see there's a backhoe going. And there's one over at the A&W, if you can see those two lights together. It's plowing out the A&W. Make sure to call in the bus line at 466-7559 in the morning for the latest school closure information. So make sure you do that. The number again is 466-7559. I will post a link to the district website below where you can see if schools will be closed tomorrow. Anyway, this is my... This is Nick Cusack on the scene, reporting in St. Stephen, New Brunswick, January 11th, 2011, on the scene of the massive blizzard. Thank you and goodbye.